Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Whether you're in medicine, from specialty to super specialty, allied sciences, or simply curious, this focus content it delivers the key points you need to know. Let's understand the biosynthesis of the FA, that is, of fatty acids. So first step will be the fatty acid synthase. So it acts along with the in presence of the acetyl CoA and the enzyme being the acetyl CoA ACP transacylase, acetyl CoA ACP transacylase. So with this presence, what is formed? The formation of the product acetyl S-ACP. So it is the acetyl S-ACP is formed. So after formation of this acetyl S-ACP, there is the action of the transfer of acetyl to cysteine. So transfer of acetyl to that of cysteine. Next, the product formed will be the acetyl S enzyme. So acetyl S enzyme will lead to the formation of acyl malonyl enzyme. This will be further changed into the acyl malonyl enzyme. So in between the acetyl S enzyme to the acetyl malonyl enzyme, the action of the malonyl CoA ACP transacylase is present. So in this step, there is presence of the malonyl CoA ACP. So acetyl S-ACP was present, it is formed to acetyl malonyl CoA, malonyl enzyme. So here the enzyme involved will be the malonyl CoA ACP transacylase. Next, from the acyl malonyl enzyme, we move on to acyl malonyl enzyme. From this acyl malonyl enzyme, in presence of the beta ketoacyl ACP synthase. So wherever synthase is present, the same product will be carried forward. So in presence of this enzyme, what is formed? It will be the beta ketoacyl ACP. So synthase, so this is formed. Next is in presence of, so we stopped with the beta ketoacyl ACP. So from here, what is formed will be the beta hydroxyacyl ACP, hydroxyacyl ACP. So between the beta ketoacyl ACP to the beta hydroxyacyl ACP, so what is this enzyme involved? So enzyme involved is nothing but the beta ketoacyl ACP reductase. So here the enzyme will be reductase. So there is reductase which is converting the ketoacyl ACP to that of the beta hydroxyacyl ACP. Next, from this beta hydroxyacyl ACP, it is again moved and with the presence of the beta hydroxyacyl ACP dehydratase. So here it is dehydratase. So first we saw catalase and then there was reductase. So first we saw catalase, then we saw reductase, and now we have the dehydratase. So here, we have the dehydratase. So this is converting to the trans-enoyl ACP. So what happens after the trans-enoyl ACP? So after the formation of the trans-enoyl ACP, so the enzyme which is acting here will be reductase. So enoyl ACP reductase. So enoyl ACP reductase will lead to the formation of the acyl ACP. So this will lead to the formation of the acyl ACP. Next, after the acyl ACP, there will be the transfer of carbon chain from ACP to the, so there will be transfer of the carbon chain from ACP. So after the transfer of carbon chain to the ACP, the formation of acyl S enzyme is formed. So after the formation of acyl S enzyme, so acyl S enzyme, so after the formation of acyl S enzyme, in presence of the palmitoyl thioesterase, there is palmitoyl thioesterase. So palmitoyl thioesterase. So in presence of palmitoyl thioesterase, what is formed? It will be the palmitate. Palmitate is what is formed.